out here, Outlaw Outdoors. Co-host right there, Jason. In the boat, setting out our decoy spread.
You know, you having waders on this year, there are gonna be no ass crack shots.
Yeah. I know. I know all of our fans are disappointed for that too. I'm sure Eric appreciates it, not having to edit it out.
Maybe. We got Jeremy and Ryan setting up down there. You guys we met up online. Figured you have a good day hunting with us. Four up top, or five. Wrong call. See it? Walked up. You better shoot this fucker. You don't shoot this one? Take it.
Oh my god. Come out of nowhere, guys. Got one shot. What
Him!
the fuck did you put in my goddamn gun?
I put fucking Royal Blues, dickhead.
No, you didn't.
Oh, that's a Winchester.
How many times did we hit him?
I don't know.
Because I know my
3.
dropped him. I was a little behind. Good looking bird.
Yeah,
My band on there?
Jared's out.
What's that?
You didn't go to Jared.
I must have shot it then.
I'm pretty sure I killed that fucking hen though. I'm pretty sure I killed them both. You guys even shoot? No, my gun's loaded. I killed them both and I didn't even shoot. Good go, Randy. Good Bubby. I shot at that fucking Drake as soon as he crossed in that hen, and I never saw that hen get up. I'm like, I'm pretty sure I fucking hit it. Oh well. Yeah. Thank you.
That is a full mature one right there.
Oh yeah.
Bring it. Kill that bitch. Good girl, Remy.
She go, Jared?
Yeah.
Go get it.
Finish it. Finish it.
Where? Hey, take that.
Shoot him. Come here. Get one?
Yeah, it's up on the hill. God damn it.
I wasn't gonna shoot over your head like that.
You know, if Jason was here, we probably would have got them ducks. I'm a shitty caller, but I had to come out and give it a try anyway. But hey, it's Thanksgiving. I got one duck, and it didn't take me a box of shells to get one duck. And we got them flying. I just can't call. So maybe we'll get more ducks here in a little bit.